Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to unblock someone on Instagram from PC, Chromebook or laptop or MacBook or Mac OS. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open browser and open instagram.com and press enter and open your Instagram and click on left corner your profile and click on settings or options your right corner and search settings and privacy and settings and scroll down and click on blocked accounts, and this your all blocked account, and click on unblock username and unblock or cancel. Right, and click on unblock and profile unblock it. Alright, and that's all.